This is a lecture on 5-2, mean, variance, standard deviation, and expectation. In 5-2, we will continue discussion about discrete probability distributions. And what we can do is we can actually find the mean and the standard deviation of the distribution. If you can represent it as a histogram, what you're looking for is the measure of central tendency, the mean, and the measure of the spread, which is the standard deviation. The last thing that we're going to cover in 5-2 is called expected value. The reason this formula is in the 5-2 is because the formula for finding the expected value of a game is the same as finding the mean. So here I can see the formulas. In order to find the mu, you're going to take a sum of all of the values for your x multiplied by the probability of each x. So the sign, the large sigma, it's a summation sign. So you're going to add everybody. In order to get the standard deviation, you're going to go through variance. You need to take a sum, but instead of taking the x values, you're going to take each x squared multiplied by the probability of each. Once you add all of those numbers, this is why the square parentheses are right over here next to the sigma sign, then you subtract the mu squared. So this will get you to the variance. You do need to find the mean before finding the variance, and you need to find the variance before finding the standard deviation, because the standard deviation is the square root of variance. So I put all of these formulas under chapter 5 vocabulary. These are must remember. This is why it's together with the vocabulary and the expected value. In the next video, I'll show you examples on how to use each one of these formulas. That should do it for 5-2.